Jai Srimannarayana. 42nd sloka of 10th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Adhava bahunaitena kim jnanena tavarjuna विष्टभ्याहम् इदं कृत्स्नम् एकांसेन स्थितो जगत् ॐ Constantly, continuously, you must remember that including you, this entire universe is sustaining only with but a fraction of Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma to make Krishna Paramatma happy, which is going to be the most effective puja for the day. So follow these lines within your bhavana. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall always remember that this entire universe, including me, is sustaining only but with a fraction of yourself. Krishna, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्मा सरस्वतीदेवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಮು ದಶಮಸ್ಕಂಧಮು 10th ಸ್ಕಂಧಂ 152nd day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Narada Maharshi, before he gives his curse to Nalakubara and Manigriva, he is thinking like this: those who have arrogance of their wealth, they would never think that this body is not just mine. They would never put any efforts to bring their attachment with their body down. So what it is this body is made out of 5 elements. those 5 elements will be gone to their own origins after this soul departure from the body. Then those 5 elements will be joined with Paratattvam, Paramatma. So that Paramatma is not visible. So that means this body is coming out from the place, from the Tattvam which is invisible, and this will be gone back to the same thing again. So that means this is not just mine, this is not just any one person's property. This belongs to, these 5 elements belongs to everyone. So those who thinks like this, they can definitely bring down the attachment with their body. Like that, when they realize these facts, then nahanti jantun, they would never kill animals and eat their meat to nourish this body. They would never torture any animal, only just to satisfy their own body. So those who have arrogance of their wealth, asataha Sri Madandhasya daridriyam paramanjanam atmaupamyena bhutani daridraha paramikshate. They behave very cruelly. So the very good lesson to them is taking away their wealth and making them very poor. Only those who are in that poverty, they will know what kind of grief they have to go through. In general, those who are going through the grief and poverty, they would never wish this to happen to others. So that means those who became blind out of their arrogance, came out of their wealth, for them only good lesson is to make them poor, to take away their wealth. That will definitely opens their eyes. Like that, Narada Maharshi thinking within himself. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnenamarasatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 10th chapter 42nd sloka. Adhava bahunaitina kim jnanena tava arjuna vishtabhyahamidam krishnam ekamsena sthito jagat. Adhava bahunaitena kim jnanena tava arjuna Vishtabhyahamidam kritsnam ekamsena sthito jagat. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.